Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abisola. It's 25th of December, Christmas Day. So this video, I am excited at the same time I am scared. Today's Christmas and tomorrow is 26th, which is Boxing Day. So my sister's company is having their party tomorrow, and guess what? This baby girl is gonna be cooking for them.
Okay.
Cooking. So guys, this is the first time I'm going to be cooking for a large number of people, and I am kind of scared. At the same time, I am looking forward to it, and I believe that I'm going to pull through with this because practically I've always cooked for my family, maybe a few friends, but this time around we're going to be cooking for like a small party, a small house party, and it's like a challenge for me, like my sister challenging me. So she just called me up and said, "So I want you to cook for my Christmas." I'm like, nothing but a man joke. It can't be possible. Sorry, hello. Do you know who you're talking to? And she was like, "Yeah, I know you can do it. Cook it." See, all the training that mommy have been training. So my mom is a caterer. Growing up, we help her when she's cooking, doing all that stuff. So I grew up in, like, you know, that kind of event family. There's nothing I did not do when I was growing up. I was the only one that really got interested in cooking that much. So I always put my eyes on when my mom is doing all those things. And this one is quite different because I'll be the only one. I'll be the sole commander of the cooking. God. So guys, if this video should go, that means the cooking went well and people really enjoyed it. So I'm going to do a vlog of how I put through the cooking. So I'm going to be cooking for like 35 to 45 people. Yeah, it's not so large, but yeah, it's large because this is the first time I'm going to be doing this, and I'm going to be happy if this comes out as nice as possible. So I've ordered the things I need to use, and the ones I have to go to the market to go get, I've gotten them already. Merry Christmas to you guys, and I hope you enjoy your Christmas, and I hope the new year brings forth greater things for us. And thank you guys for always staying tuned on my channel. Thank you guys for pushing me. Thank you guys. You guys really go out for me, and I'm really happy that I have you in my corner. You guys are just the best, and I love you guys, and so stay tuned. I have fish that I'll be grilling. I have half of fish. I have chicken here, so we're about to start. So it's in load. So this is a carton of chicken here and fish.
What are you saying?
See the fish. So I make sure they scale the fish before sending it to me, and also remove the intestine. No one has time for cleaning. I don't have time for cleaning. I want to clean myself. They are the ones helping me because this girl cannot do this work alone. I don't know I can. I will do. Go away, help me. Can you walk around? May I say put them? I'm putting it on the hand.
Okay, hang it.
But I scatter it too much. I think I made a mistake. I should have told them to cut it from their factory. What's stressing out?
They like that this is
so they like bomb chicken. So if you cook chicken in your village now, you must do your husband bomb.
It must done a compulsory.
Yeah, I know the man and the bomb waiting for her.
With here chest.
With
they like go done together.
But you know you're a man and they used to say that if you do bomb of chicken, you do yam a bomb.
That's fine. Which kind of yam? I know you bomb. Okay.
So at this point, I'm prepping the turkey. I'm going to boil and also fry it tonight before going to bed. It's the meat for asu. I'm going to shred it now.
It's day 2 and today is the main day. I just finished this coleslaw and it really came out really nice. I need to show you guys. I'm tired. You can see I'm very tired. I slept around 2 o'clock. I've been awake since 7. a.m. So this nuisance. He was meant to come and help us yesterday. That goat at my back. See, he now came this morning telling me rubbish. Yesterday was very interesting. Christmas too. And you better to launch Christmas now. Imagine that nonsense. So I'd like to show you guys the coleslaw I made. Yeah, it's so nice. Amaka, what are you saying?
Don't forget.
What did you say?
I said don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel.
You should subscribe in your YouTube channel. You guys see Amaka. You need to subscribe in our YouTube channel. So the coleslaw really came out nice. I like it. See our chicken. It's really coming out nice.
You all should come and rate this party jollof. Ha! I swear, it's very sweet and as sweet as it looks. I'm serious. The fried rice too was dope, like very dope. Ha! Omo, you guys are not ready. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Yeah, I did not know.
It's ready.
It was not ready. It did not ready.
But it's counting for you.
I should not mind our kitchen.
Yeah,
We are finally done. I don't know if you can hear me. The music is really, really loud. Oh, see my face. See my hair. If I want to go and bath, I'm just like a baby girl. And come downstairs and serve the food. But really, the food really came out as nice as I wanted. Like, I was impressed. All of them, they see. They want to steal the food on top of the fire. Thank God. Thank God the music is off. So guys, it's back again. I'm done. See, I'm not tired face. We are both tired. Like, it was a beautiful one, chap. I'm really impressed with what I came out with. Like, please, you guys should start sending your orders because this girl has gone commercial already. I'm going commercial. Like, start sending your orders. Bye, guys.
So that will be all for today. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this video, so I would like to see your comments. Drop a comment for me if you enjoyed it too, and also I would like to have your advice. But well, I think my mind is made up already. I'm going commercial soon and I'll be announcing here. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends and family. Thank you very much, and see you guys next time. Also, I would like to end this video on this note. There's this beautiful girl that sang at the party, and I would like you guys to listen to her voice. Bye.